I'd say 10 years ago, the industry was a little more dominated by the OEM repair facilities. We're seeing a lot more variable frequency drives installed in plants and modern plant designs. Moving forward, I see the industry really tracking toward condition monitoring and doing condition-based rebuilding. We always really embrace change and really adapt with the industry and with the climate as dictated. I'm Jim Aubrey. I'm the Vice President at Pivotal Pumps here. Pivotal Pumps is an aftermarket, high-energy centrifugal pump rebuilding company. Over the last 10 years, we've really seen pump end users embrace aftermarket pump repair companies. They've come to rely upon us for our diverse reverse engineering capabilities. They've, I think, seen the validity of using laser scanning technologies from a reverse engineering standpoint to replicate complex geometry that we see within centrifugal pumps, such as impeller vanes and diffuser vanes. Here at Pivotal Pumps, we have a large group of mechanical engineers that are capable of providing not only like-for-like part replacement, but also advanced material upgrades, hydraulic upgrades, and anything really that the customer might need. I'd say 10 years ago, the industry was a little more dominated by the OEM repair facilities. There were some independent aftermarket repair facilities becoming prominent around that time. Much more conventional repairs, so replacing of conventionally heat-treated components, things like that. Nowadays, we do a lot of laser hard facing that provides extended life of the pumps. Customers have really embraced that as a valuable upgrade to be applied to specifically horizontal multi-stage pumps and high-pressure applications. Moving forward, I see the industry really tracking toward condition monitoring and doing condition-based rebuilding, wherein we would be looking at accelerometer data, thermocouple data, as well as the hydraulic performance data of these pumps live as they're operating in the field, and using live real-time data as trigger points for the rebuilding process, rather than going with the standard mean time between failure run hours approach that we saw in the 90s and the early 2000s. Here at Pivotal, we always really embrace change. We're some of the first people to jump on new technologies like 3D printing, multi-axis machining, material upgrades, and then also assembly design changes that allow for easier removals and reinstalls in the field. We're backed by a large privately held manufacturing company. We have the engineering support both from a mechanical engineering standpoint, but also an electrical and a controls engineering standpoint to support our customers in the field and really adapt with the industry and with the climate as dictated. We've recently started doing motion amplification video that can really reveal structural issues within a pump system. We're seeing a lot more variable frequency drives installed in plants and modern plant designs. Pumps really like to be run softly and at the appropriate speed and best efficiency point. So the more and more we start utilizing variable speed pumping within industry, I think we're going to see much better performance and much longer extended lives out of our high energy centrifugal pumps. It's interesting seeing all these plants still operating very well after basically a year off of not being proactive with maintenance. I think obviously in 2021 that needs to change, and we need to get back to rebuilding our equipment proactively. Pivotal is very well positioned to satisfy really all of your pump rebuilding needs, both from a removal, field support, repair, parts replacement, and reinstall, as well as condition monitoring and troubleshooting services. We're really looking forward to meeting more customers, continuing to support our existing customers, and just continuing great operations and great business in 2021 and beyond.